Hello viewers, welcome back. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you beautiful Siberian cat. Siberian cats are lovable and loyal family companions who get along well with children and other pets. Siberian cats are, as their name suggests, native to Siberia, a region of Russia known for long, harsh winters. Their rugged origins are reflected in their long, weatherproof triple coat and strong bodies. These alert and solidly built cats are somewhat kittenish in personality. This breed is sweet-natured and loves to cuddle. Siberians are totally devoted to their pet parents and generally get along well with children and other pets. Siberian kittens typically cost between $1,200 and $4,000 depending on pedigree. Their thick coat of long hair comes in any color including solid white, black, red, blue and silver. They also come in a wide variety of patterns including smoke, point, calico, tabby, tortoise shell and bicolor. Siberian cats typically have golden, green or copper eyes, though white Siberian cats may have blue eyes. With all of that hair, it is unsurprising these cats do a lot of shedding. Twice a year, Siberian cats actually molt. In the spring, this breed sheds their longer, warmer winter coat, and in the fall, they shed a shorter summer coat. Despite all of that shedding, Siberian cats are actually considered hypoallergenic because of their skin produces less of the chemical associated with cat allergies. Siberian cats are super affectionate and have playful personalities. These cats mature very slowly, both physically and emotionally. It can take the Siberian as long as 5 years to reach adulthood, which means they spend a significant portion of their life acting like kittens. Despite their youthful attitudes, Siberian cats are typically pretty. Thanks for watching.